Yeah. The pillow set.
What is it?
The pillow set.
Wow,
Is that all you're getting?
next.
What's that?
The creeper, the reaper.
He's like, I already seen all
Oh no.
Here you go. What's that?
That's from the Berg and Nyla.
What is this? It's a piece of junk.
It's a piece. I wonder if it's a piece of junk.
No, what is it? Look at it. I don't need to see it.
It's a tiny wax melt.
Smell it.
Is it cute?
Yeah.
Don't be rushing. There's not that many gifts. Take your time. Open it.
What she say?
Like, I can't.
Hey,
'cause
homie,
I've got
help
my
me.
hand in my-
Say, help me, homie.
Help me, help me.
Ooh, I almost smell.
It's porch giving.
Porch giving.
Oh, I was
that?
like, yes, paper.
Oh yes.
Open it, dude.
Ooh, what's that?
God, he is shaking.
I'm so excited, Dad.
What is it?
The candle.
It's a little miniature candle. Oh, that's really cute.
Oh.
It's the same scent.
Yeah.
Nyla picked it. We went to smell candles and see who I picked to go.
It's Christmas, ain't it?
That's how he figured out, because he opened the truck door and that fell into the mud.
That bedsheet fell into the mud.
I told him it was Elliot's. But then he saw the puppy and he was like,
Puppy.
What puppy?
The
No,
I
that's
took back.
last.
Puppy. Here he comes.
What is that?
Puppy.
I have 2 feet on which I dance, sometimes slow, sometimes fast.
Donnie.
On which I dance, come on and dance.
What do you got?
Puppy.
Hold on.
Let me see.
What is it,
Let me
Donald?
see what you
It's
got.
puppy.
Show me.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
My ears are soft, my ears are blue. I want
Is that all the presents?
The last one.
What are you doing, Nyla?
Too. Oh, did the bird tape it?
Oh,
Oh, the knit pumpkin.
wow.
What is that?
Another screen. iPhone screen protectors.
No.
Another.
It's a new phone with
new
a
phone.
better camera.
And the storage that lasts longer.
Yeah. What's in the pocket of the bag? There's a pocket on the inside of it. On the inside of the bag, buddy.
Money.
Money.
What is it?
Gift.
Card.
Oh, now you can go buy what you want with it. I'll try it for you. I'll get you some tickets. Yeah, press it later.
Press the button to release the ball.
Oh no, too late.
Too late.
Try again.
Alright, hold on.
Look at all those cheap junk fans. They need to be discontinued. Woof, woof, woof.
I think you can go.
Sing it.
Sing it. Wait. Okay, tell me when to go.
Go.
PJ Mask, PJ Mask, PJ Mask is a PJ Mask. That time is the right time to fight crime. I can't think of a rhyme. PJ Mask for PJ Mask, PJ Mask for PJ Mask. The time is the right time to fight crime. I can't think of a rhyme. The time is the right time to fight crime.
Burgundy, shut the fuck up.
This is the
Universal Television Studio logo.
Use this fan. This is how not working. It's off. 3, 2, and 1. 3 on 3. Turn it on. Nothing. Nothing. Still nothing. This fan is going. We have this fan for a couple of months, and it's less than 8 months old, and it stopped working for no reason. Do not get a mainstays fan. Do not get a mainstays fan. Less than a week old, already not working. It's look, it's all shiny and gold. Do not buy this fan.